before I met you.
Okay, to duty and
Want something really fresh? Pull some chunks of grilled chicken, pecan, freshly diced celery, crisp apples. Is it major medical help? No. Who's going to help cover the whole like medical bills they don't pay for?
Gabriel, look at Daddy. What did you do?
In everyday expenses. Help your family save at Aflac.com. Tomorrow, second bite out of the Big Apple, one of the most glorious goes down that chocolate. Let's dance, come on. That's how it's done. New American tomorrow on NBC. As a community service, WHIZ-TV presents this gallery of area events.
It's hilarious because he's doing it to himself.
Endless lunch of our chicken salad, signature soups, and fresh baked goods. Evans, come see what's good. Small trivia. Like him yet? They got married. This is Rob in my bedroom.
It must be late. You okay? Oh, you fast. You're gonna get a surprise on one of those.
Yep.
Okay. That's a